Good morning children. Today I am starting a lesson 1. Class 4th, lesson 1. Yes. Can you identify the lesson name after seeing this picture? A man with a fish. Yes. Fisher man. Very true. Let me introduce the lesson name. The fisherman and his wife. In this lesson we are going to learn about fisherman as well as his wife. Long ago there lived a fisherman and his wife. Listen carefully children, whatever I am explaining you, listen carefully. Long ago there lived a fisherman and his wife. The couple were very poor, but they got plenty of fishes to eat. They lived in an old wooden hut by the seashore. What is the meaning of seashore? Let us find out. Land along with edge of the sea. Land along the edge of the sea. So they used to live near the seashore, by the seashore. The wife worked in a little garden behind the hut and grew vegetables. The fisherman remained content with whatever he got. So content, now let us find out the meaning of content. Feeling satisfied with what one has. Feeling satisfied with what one has. We are like fisherman is satisfied with his performance, with his whatever he is having. Like he got plenty of fishes to eat, he is good enough in his life. But let us find out the nature of his wife. But his wife always longed for more. Here longed for more is nothing but she is not satisfied with whatever she has. Longed for more, meaning of longed for more, let us find out. Wanted very much, had a strong desire for, like if she got something then she is in need of something else. That thing comes under greediness also children. So in the above passage we got to know the meaning, two meanings. What are they? Seashore as well as content. Meaning of seashore is what? Land along the edge of the sea, and content, meaning of content, feeling satisfied with what one has. Then longed for more also I explained you children. Longed more is nothing but wanted very much, not satisfied with whatever she has. That comes under what? Longed for more. Had a strong desire for. In the above passage, in the first passage, we got to know three meanings, right? And we got to understand fisherman as well as his wife. Children, you can see clearly some of the vocabularies I underlined in the first passage. Work on that. Write once in your CWs. Whenever you start writing, read and write. It improves your reading as well as handwriting. This will be your writing part, and read this passage. For improving your reading, you should read the passage. Like right now I am reading for you, then you can follow my reading. Like long ago there lived a fisherman and his wife. Once the full stop comes, then you should give a pause. The couple were very poor, but they got plenty of fishes to eat. In this way you should treat children. I hope you are understanding. Read the first passage to improve your reading children. And I underlined, just now I mentioned you, I underlined some of the vocabularies. Learn and write once.